In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elevenlabs for free forever. Yes, you heard that right. In just 5 minutes, you'll learn how to maximize the platform's features without spending a dime. Let's dive straight in. First, you're going to want to head over to the Elevenlabs website. This is your starting point, where all the magic happens. If you're new to the platform, it's time to set up an account. Simply click on the sign up button and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, just log in. It's a quick step, but crucial to unlocking the free features you're here for. Now, one of the keys to using Elevenlabs for free is leveraging their free tier effectively. This tier provides a sufficient amount of resources for basic user needs. Take some time to familiarize yourself with what's offered. Knowing these limits can help you plan your usage and stay within the boundaries of what's free. Remember, the idea is to stretch those free features as far as they'll go without hitting a paywall. A resourceful tip to extend your free usage time is by creating multiple accounts, if it's within their policy guidelines. This isn't about gaming the system, but rather having a legitimate backup option. Make sure to read through their terms of service to ensure you're in compliance and not risking account suspension. Next, to stay within the free limits, avoid excessive regeneration. Repeatedly generating new results can quickly burn through your character limits. Exercise a bit of patience and only use regeneration when absolutely necessary. This will help preserve your free credits for when you really need them. Another practical way to make the most of your characters is by using shorter text when possible. Think about the key points you need conveyed and focus on those. By editing for brevity, you can achieve efficiency that benefits your character quota. Additionally, keep an eye out for special offers from Elevenlabs. They sometimes grant bonus character credits or offer promotional deals, which can be a great advantage for free users. Make it a habit to regularly check their announcements and updates. Being in the know can provide you with opportunities to expand your free use. By following these strategies, you'll be maximizing your experience with Elevenlabs without spending any money. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully, you now feel ready to take full advantage of Elevenlabs' free options and can enjoy their services for a long time to come. Remember, as long as you stay informed and manage your usage wisely, you'll be able to keep your costs at zero. Thanks for watching and happy creating.